Concord's new Search Options menu has made it easier to conduct proximity searches in the program. A proximity search can be used to find instances in the books where two or more words appear within a specific number of verses, sentences, or paragraphs of one another. Concord's default search will show you only instances in which all the words in the search bar appear within the same verse or sentence in the books. However, using proximity search, you can expand your search results to show instances in which two or more words appear near one another in the books. For example, maybe you're interested in knowing where the words Jesus and water appear near one another in the books. You could do this by entering the words Jesus and water into the search bar. Then you can click on the words Search Options to open up the new Search Options menu. Moving your mouse down to the small gray toggle across from the words Proximity Search, you can click on this toggle to activate the proximity search. Next, you'll see a small box in which you can enter a number. For instance, I might enter the number 3. And I'll leave sentences and verses selected in the drop-down menu across from the number 3. This indicates that I would like my search results to show me every time in the books where the words Jesus and water appear within 3 sentences or verses of one another. If you move your mouse up to the magnifying glass and click Search, you can see based on the search results that instances in which the words Jesus and water appear within 3 sentences or verses of one another are contained in your search results. To edit your proximity search, you can open the Search Options menu by clicking on the word Search Options and adjust the number of sentences or verses you would like to search between. For example, we could increase it to 5. You can also click on this drop-down menu to select if you would like to limit your search results to potentially only come from the Bible, only showing instances in which the words Jesus and water appear within 5 verses of one another. Or you could limit results to the writings of Mary Baker Eddy by limiting it to 5 sentences. Paragraphs would also limit the search results to the writings of Mary Baker Eddy and show you every instance in which the words Jesus and water appear within 5 paragraphs of one another. I'll show you this as a final example. If we hit search, you'll see that all of our search results come only from books written by Mrs. Eddy, which were put into paragraph form. To clear the proximity search, you can come up to the small X on the side of the search bar, or you can open up the Search Options menu and hit the Reset button in the bottom right-hand corner.